I'm so happy to see you all again in a video session. Today we're going to learn about pharmacoepidemiological methods. Imagine a patient taking multiple medications, but one drug interacts dangerously with another. How do we prevent this? Drug Utilization Review (DUR) is the systematic process designed to evaluate medication use for safety, effectiveness, and appropriateness. Through essential evaluation steps, DUR prevents errors, reduces healthcare costs, and significantly improves patient outcomes. Drug utilization review comes in three distinct types: prospective, concurrent, and retrospective. Prospective DUR is conducted before dispensing medications, where pharmacists check for potential interactions and contraindications. This proactive measure assures safety and optimal efficacy in medication administration. Concurrent DUR involves ongoing monitoring while treatment occurs, such as hospital medication review programs. This real-time review sustains the efficacy and safety of ongoing medication use. Retrospective DUR analyzes medication use after its administration, utilizing tools like insurance claims review to identify patterns and solutions for improving future prescribing practices. Examples of DUR practices include electronic health record (EHR) alerts, pharmacist interventions, and formulary management strategies that cleverly optimize drug utilization. The DUR process comprises several key components. It begins with comprehensive data collection from sources such as prescriptions, lab results, and patient histories. Evaluation follows, where checks for interactions, duplications, and adherence are performed meticulously. Upon identifying potential issues, intervention involves contacting prescribers, educating patients, and implementing necessary adjustments. Finally, follow-up ensures that the intended outcomes are realized, maintaining accountability and encouraging continuous improvement. The tools employed in DUR, such as clinical software, AI-driven alerts, and pharmacogenomics advancements, form an intricate network that continually refines and enhances the protection and efficacy of prescribed treatments. Beyond the clear benefits, DUR faces certain challenges. While it reduces adverse drug events, aids, lowers healthcare costs, and improves medication adherence, it can be time-consuming for healthcare providers. Additionally, the proliferation of false alerts within EHR systems sometimes dilutes the effectiveness of DUR practices. Concerns about patient privacy further complicate the efficacy of comprehensive reviews. In conclusion, drug utilization review isn't just a regulatory duty, it is a vital safeguard ensuring that medications are utilized properly, detecting potential interactions, preventing adverse effects, and securing optimal therapeutic outcomes. As an indispensable component of patient safety, DUR is evolving through innovations and technological advancements. The future of drug utilization review promises to be intelligent, swift, and tailored. The integration of artificial intelligence will allow for predictive modeling of drug-related risks, anticipating problems before they occur. Real-time monitoring technologies will provide instant alerts, enabling timely interventions. Personalized medicine will advance to tailor drug choices to individual genetic and clinical profiles, pushing DUR into the forefront of precision healthcare. Indeed, DUR is becoming a proactive, intelligent ally in safeguarding and optimizing patient treatment. Several study designs are utilized in pharmacoepidemiology to ascertain medication safety and effectiveness, each offering distinct advantages and limitations. Case reports. Case reports are detailed presentations of individual patients' medical histories and are often used to signal a potential drug-related issue. Although case reports lack statistical power and cannot establish causality, they can lead to hypothesis generation and further study. Case series. Case series involve a group of case reports and focus on patients with similar conditions or treatments. While case series provide more information than an individual case report, they still lack control data but can be instrumental in identifying and documenting clinical trends. Surveys of drug use. Surveys collect data from large populations regarding drug usage patterns. These surveys can uncover trends in medication adherence, prescription practices, and are useful for understanding patient and physician behaviors at a large scale. Cross-sectional studies. Cross-sectional studies look at data from a population at a single point in time. Cross-sectional studies can evaluate the prevalence of exposures and outcomes, facilitating the assessment of associations between drug use and health outcomes across a population. Cohort studies. Cohort studies follow groups of people over time based on a shared characteristic, such as drug exposure. Cohort studies are valuable for determining the incidence and natural history of drug effects and are particularly powerful for establishing temporal relationships. Case control studies. These studies compare patients with a particular outcome cases to those without controls and look backward to determine if exposure to a drug is different between the two groups. Case control studies are useful for studying rare conditions or effects. Case cohort studies. Case cohort studies are an adaptation of cohort studies that allows for cohort-based analysis with a case control approach. Case cohort studies are efficient in handling large datasets and minimizing administrative costs while providing robust insights. Each of these methods plays a critical role in pharmacoepidemiological research, providing insights into drug efficacy, safety, and patterns of use. Researchers select appropriate study designs based on their specific objectives, the available data, and the context of the medication use they are investigating. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each method allows for more accurate interpretation of the study results. Ultimately, this contributes to safer and more effective drug use across populations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.